How to play Roblox on school Chromebook. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Playing Roblox on a school issued Chromebook can be tricky due to restriction and limited permissions set by the school administrator. However, there is a workaround. If you cannot install apps, you can play Roblox through a remote service or bypassing restriction using browser-based solution. So go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for now.gg and open the Roblox page there. Log in with your Roblox credential and start playing. Directly in the browser, select a game and enjoy playing without installing Roblox. So this is how you can play Roblox on a school Chromebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.